Hey guys, I'm Dr. Carter. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking
You lock
about
it
the
behind your
best way you
something so it
can
don't move.
milk a goat.
You take the breast. Okay, that'll work. Take two, take two. You lock it here. When you take in the breast, now let me show you the right way. You lock it with your finger and you squeeze coming down towards your small finger and the milk onto spray. A lot of people like to pull the breast like this. That is a very bad practice. So you always lock it and you squeeze and the pressure will cause the milk to come out. Nice breast. Thought she had some mastitis, but no. Just well bagged up. Good, good. Nice breast.
Goat milk is highly nutritious and well sought after, so there might be a variety of reasons why you would need to milk a goat. Whether you're using it to bottle feed an animal, or to sell for profit, or even to use in your own home, these are some of the safer ways to milk a goat, which not only protects the health of the animal's teeth, but it gives you nice, clean milk. For starters, ideally you would prefer to have this animal restrained in a chute or a squeeze. If you do not have these facilities and you're in an open field like this, there is a technique where you can lock the goat behind the hock as you see I'm doing here, and then initiate the milking process. When you start milking, they normally lower their body and do not try to move away. Now, the mammary gland has a very specific anatomy, and they are teeth canals. So you need to take your most times your index and thumb and make a circular block at the top, and then squeeze moving down towards your pinky finger. By doing this, the milk would spray straight down into the bottle or tub, whatever you're using, and will not go back up into the goat breast. This avoids injury to the breast as well as stuff like mastitis and just the pressure going the opposite direction. It's the same thing a baby goat will do if they're nursing from the mother, and you can keep doing this until you have emptied the breast of milk. You just need to open again, the teeth will fill with milk, and then you squeeze in that same manner. And that is how you milk a goat, my friends. And if you do it right, you will get an entire bottle or a tub of milk that you can use for whatever purpose you see. Check out the next video on the channel where we show you how to bottle feed a baby goat. Hit that like button. Comment, let me know what you think about this video. Thanks for watching.